Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable battery saving mode on VIVO S17. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then find battery. Inside there's battery saver, and here you'll be able to enable or disable it. You can also set the schedule based on a percentage or deactivate it. So now that means when I reach 40% of a battery, it will automatically enable battery saving mode. We can also turn it off automatically when your phone is charged above 90%. And the next thing is to enable the battery saver in our notification panel. So we can scroll it down like this, scroll down again, and then by default it should be located right here in the second page. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.